time for your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Well, John, it has looked like a beautiful week so far, but I hear there's rain this weekend.
Yeah, there's a possibility of rain this weekend. I don't think it'll be too bad as far as messing up any plans. A lot of it's going to be to the west of us, but here in East Texas, we'll be kind of keeping an eye on it as the situation gets a little bit closer and things kind of come together as far as development is concerned. Right now, though, it's a beautiful day. Nothing to worry about today. Just a few showers possible, maybe a thunderstorm or two this afternoon, but other than that, things looking good. 75 degrees in Tyler, south winds at 8 miles per hour. Now, here's what's been happening over the last 6 hours. Just some scattered clouds again. A little bit of rain showing up in some of those clouds, but nothing close to us here in the East Texas area. As far as temperatures are concerned, we continue to expect readings to be above the average by just a little bit, and right now we're well on our way to that as we're into the 70s with the southeast wind continuing to blow. This is what Futurecast shows. You see a few showers beginning to dot the area there of deep East Texas as we get into the afternoon, and they'll work their way northward throughout the day, but by the time the sun goes down, those showers will be going away. And in the early morning hours, a little morning cloudiness building in with temperatures in the 60s. Chance of rain runs 20% today, only 10% on Saturday. Biggest chance is going to be Sunday, and a lot of that's going to be over the western counties. 30% chance on Monday, 20% for Tuesday, then 30% for Wednesday and for Thursday. Now, rainfall totals aren't going to be all that excessive over the next 7 days, but this will help the dry situation somewhat. There'll be less rain expected in the southeast part of the area, and the northwestern portions of the area could approach an inch of rain in a few spots. Now, the severe outlook lies out in West Texas starting Saturday through early Sunday. A slight risk that you see there in yellow and a marginal risk in green doesn't even make it over into the metroplex. It stays well to the west of us here in the East Texas area. Now, looking ahead to 7 a.m. Sunday to 7 a.m. Monday, expected to be a marginal risk moving into our western counties. That's the low end of the scale there, and possibility it can isolated shower or thunderstorm could become severe out in the western parts of the area. Now, Monday we shift over to where the Weather Service just puts a 15% chance within the yellow area there of any type of severe weather developing, and you see that doesn't touch East Texas then. And the same thing on Tuesday as nothing much changes there. By Wednesday, we do see a chance for a few severe storms showing up in our northwestern counties. So it doesn't look like we've got a big chance of severe weather, but certainly we'll be keeping an eye on it as that gets closer. 82 degrees today, 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. For tonight, expect near 63 degrees with increasing cloudiness. We'll have a southeast wind 5 to 10, and tomorrow a high of 83, decreasing clouds with a few isolated showers possible in some of our western counties, only a 10% chance there. So we do have a chance, at least a chance, of some showers and thunderstorms through the weekend and into next week. And for deep East Texas, you also have a chance of picking up a little bit of rain through the middle of next week. Check the forecast anytime at ketk.com.
Thank you, John.